welcome to my channel. How y'all doing today? My name is Alexis. I'm glad you guys stopped by today for this review. I have Wild One for you from Sensationnel today. It's a new unit that just recently dropped. I think it's probably been out about a week, so it's hot off the press. Okay, I have watched a couple reviews on it. I watched Glam Shea. Okay, I'm gonna have their names in the bottom here so you can go check these ladies out, okay, because these ladies are doing their thing as well on the YT. All right, I watched Glam Shea. Now Glam Shea didn't like the unit. She said that it looked totally different to her and it looked like a totally different unit than the one that was on the stock card. I didn't really agree, but you know, everybody has their opinion, so I respect her opinion, okay? So that's Glam Shea. Charisma's World is another sister that's doing her thing on the YT, and she reviewed it and it looked pretty on her and she liked it. And I think I saw somebody else. I haven't watched Kai's, but I am gonna watch her review just because, okay, because I like Kai. All right, y'all, so if you're wondering about this unit that I am wearing right here, this is on the channel. You go and look for this thumbnail and I will also link it in the box below, okay? This right here is everything, y'all. Now, this is neon orange. And I think that it's pretty because the way they cut this, they did it such a nice cut, okay? Such a beautiful cut, all right? And also my makeup today. I did a makeup review on this look. If you're interested in it, it will either be before or after this video, okay? I am so blessed, y'all, that I've been feeling better. I've been feeling pretty good the last couple of days. And so I'm just glad to be able to just keep them churning out for y'all. I told y'all when I'm feeling good, I'll get them out for y'all, okay? All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it because I'm anxious and I'm excited about this review, okay? So let's get into it. So I'm bringing you all, like I said, Wild One from Sensationnel. This is a part of their Curls, Kinks, and Company line, okay? Y'all, look at these curls. Look at this curl pattern. Now, y'all know that's beautiful. The hair feels really soft too, really bouncy. It feels lightweight for the amount of hair that looks like it's on this cap. It does feel very lightweight, okay? All right, y'all, and so looking at the cap. Now, y'all see how deep this cap looks on the inside? I can hide my whole fist in there. That's what I'm talking about when I said we should have a large cap. For all of our wigs need to be like that because you can always adjust them with your straps, okay? And here you have a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. You also have two combs here in the front, and they're both right by the parting space, okay? They're right next to it. Sometimes they put them further open, sometimes they don't. I already told y'all the cap size is big head friendly. I don't think you have a problem getting it on. I think it'll be big enough for anybody, okay? Now this parting space is a little thick, okay? Because you can barely see my nail through there, okay? I think this parting space is thick. Now, it could use some plucking, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't really do that on my channel. I do pluck my wigs if I need to, you know, if I'm wearing them out. But I don't think I'm gonna be doing any plucking on here right now. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it on the preliminary. So we're just gonna go ahead and get down to it. So you guys know the drill. Stay tuned for Wild One.
Gonna turn on this car.
I'm back. All right, now see. Okay, now Sensationnel showing out with this Wild One now, y'all. Right off the bat, let me let y'all know this hair is so soft. I told y'all that in the beginning, but now that I'm feeling it and running my fingers through just the ends, I'm not gonna run my fingers through and just pull the curls out because I don't wanna do that. I can already tell I'm gonna be wearing this. I just had some shedding right there, y'all, and I'm not sure if that came from me cutting the lace off or if it's, y'all see my nerve jumping right there? Y'all see it? It doesn't bother me, it just feels strange, and it does that every once in a while. Funny, you know what's funny? The last time it did that, I was wearing this same makeup because I had did this makeup and I promised a review a while ago, okay? But I finally got around to doing the review. I did do a review on my makeup for this look, okay? So you guys can check that out on the channel as well. Okay, so y'all, so here we go now. Like I said, the hair is soft. I want y'all to look at this curl pattern up close and see how pretty it is, okay? The hair is not shiny. It doesn't have a synthetic look to it. It actually looks to me like a human hair dupe, actually, okay? Like I said, I laid down the baby hairs. Y'all saw me do that, but then like I still telling y'all about this lace. Now y'all see right there, and it looks like this fits really good. It's comfortable because if it's feeling kind of tight. but it doesn't feel like it's not an uncomfortable tight, okay? Now, this wig is meant to be kind of in your face. I'm going to show you guys the stock card, okay? And then we'll be out of here in a minute, y'all, because it's not a whole lot to say. I mean, it's gorgeous. I really like it. I like it a lot, okay? All right, y'all, so here we are with the stock card. This is Wild One from Sensational Curls, Kinks, and Coat line, okay? I have her in the color number 1B, all right? And it does say that this is from 3B to 4C hair, okay? The unit is heat safe, 350 to 400 degrees safe, okay? Do not go over that, because if you do, you take a chance on burning up your wig. Be very careful, okay? All right, here we go on the inside of the stock card. It just has a couple more pictures of the sister. Wearing it right there, looks really pretty. And y'all see how it's big and fluffy because they pulled this out. This pulled out, but I'm not gonna do that like I said, okay? So it does come in some other colors, y'all. Now it comes in T2 burgundy, T2 613, T2 30, and a T2 27. Okay, so those are the colors there that it comes in. All right, I don't think I want this one in any other colors, so I like this black. I mean, you can't really, you know, you just can't go wrong with black. I don't think I want it in any other colors. I'm okay with just having this one. Okay, so y'all, like I said, this part of the space could use some plucking. Y'all, I mean, I'm impressed. I'm really, really impressed, Sensational. I'm really impressed with this one, okay? So it's not a whole lot to say about it, y'all. Now I'm gonna give y'all a 360. I'm also gonna stand up so y'all can see the full length and make sure that y'all see all the length of it. I think it's a good length too for it to be this much hair, okay? So I pulled this to the front so y'all can see that this is where the wig comes to me. I am 5'10" and the wig reaches me stretched. It goes right underneath my breast, okay? In the back, all right? Okay, in the back, it reaches me a little bit past my bra strap, okay? Like I said, I don't want to pull them out, y'all, but I will kind of move them around, okay? All right, y'all, and then I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all a 360 so y'all can see it all the way around on all sides, okay? So here we are to the right, so it does have a right side part, okay? The part is on the right-hand side, all right? Okay, and then here we are on the left. Y'all, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gonna be a fave, okay? This is one of those that I wanna make sure I have a backup of, okay? I wanna make sure I keep one on deck, because you want this, okay? And it's a good time for it to be released because it is a lot of hair. To some, it may be hot. Like I said, I'm not hiding it right now, but that doesn't mean it won't get hot on me, okay? Yes, y'all, and the baby hairs on here look really natural. They didn't, you know, they didn't go crazy on the baby hairs. And right here, I could have probably brought down a little bit more so it don't look have so much space in there. Because they do have baby hairs right there too, see? So I should have laid those down too. But anyway, you all get the idea, okay? Now you can, if you want to put some volume up here, you can spray your little bit of freeze spray up in there in the roots, and that'll kind of elevate that a little bit. Or you can use some bobby pins to judge it up, which I'm sure it looks like they might have done that here on this stock card, because like I said, the unit looks really full on here, okay? So, and like I said, y'all, Glam Shay was saying that it didn't look like the same unit to her, but it looks like the same unit to me. Now, pulled out from this angle right here, I like the way this looks, but I'm not too crazy about this look because, like I said, I don't want it that big, okay? All right, y'all, so that is it for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, okay? If you're looking for the unit, like I always tell y'all, make sure you put it in Google search, and wherever it pops up, you can get it at the cheapest, okay? Make sure that let me tell y'all this too, make sure that when you're ordering these wigs, that you're going for the companies that we always mention, okay? Glamourtress, okay? Wig Types, So Good BB, Divatress, okay? These are some of the wig companies. Ebony Line, Sam's Beauty, order from places like that. Hair So Fly is another one. Elevate Styles is another one. Any of these are reputable companies. I can tell you that you will get your product and you will get what you ordered. I ordered a wig from a company called HBD or HDB or something like that, and they sent me a trash wig. I ordered a wig that was a $60 wig and looked like a $60 wig, and the one that they sent me ended up being a like doll hair. It was not anything. It wasn't even the color or the type of wig. It wasn't even in the same, it wasn't even in a box. It was in a package, and it should have been in a box. So that burned me. So I want to warn y'all, make sure you're only ordering from reputable places, okay? If you ever want to know where to get a wig from, my email and everything is always in the description box, okay? And of course, I always say it in my videos for y'all to put it in the search engine, all right? Okay, y'all, so as I always say in party, I am my sister's keeper, okay? I am, all right? And you guys always remember that no matter what happens in the course of a day, you're gonna be okay, all right? You're gonna get through it. I know it may be dark, but trouble does not last always, and darkness does not last always, and joy does come in the morning. Believe that, okay? All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one, and don't forget to go and check out those other ladies' videos, okay? I love you guys, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And make sure you're sharing the video and hit that bell. Bye, y'all.